Hi, hello, welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Connect to Physics. Now today we are going to solve one more important question for the PUC examination point of view. After referring the previous year question paper, we come to know that this question is asked repeatedly, so we have selected this question for the today's topic. Now, uh, our today's topic is that expression for radius of a circular path of a charged particle in a magnetic field. Okay, now here we have to be derive the expression for the radius of a circular path of a charged particle in a magnetic field. Now, we are going to solve that solution for this. Okay, now consider a charge particle of a charge. Now we are going to consider a charge particle. So the charge of that particle I am going to call it as an Q. Okay, Q is a charge and mass of the charged particle is m. Q is the charge, mass is m, which moving in a magnetic field, I'm going to call it as a magnetic field is B, with a speed v. Okay, in a circular path of radius r. Now here you have to know that we have five important terms. First one, we are going to consider charge is q. Okay, the mass of the charge is m, which is moving in a magnetic field B with a speed v in a circular path of radius r. So if we want to understand diagrammatically, now think that here I have a charge particle. Okay, so this is the magnetic field which is acting on this charge particle. Now think that here the charges are there. Okay, now for this charge I am going to apply a force. Okay, so here the force is there. Now when you are going to apply the force to this charge particle which moves from this place to this place with a velocity v. Okay, now we have to know that what will be the radius of this charge particle. Okay, so that one we have to be calculate. Now we know that the magnetic force of an particle. Okay, so magnetic force is nothing but the force of attraction or repulsion between the magnetic charges, that is called magnetic force. We have the equation for the magnetic force, that is F is equal to Q into V into B, that is equation number 1. Okay, so now after equation number 1 we have to be apply the centripetal force for this centripetal force. Okay, so centripetal force is nothing but the force which causes uniform circular motion of a body, that is called as centripetal force. We have the equation for centripetal force, that is F is equal to mv square by r. Okay, now I am going to call this is equation number 2. ओके, यहाँ पे आपको इक्वेशन नंबर 1 भी पता चला और इक्वेशन नंबर 2 भी आपके पास है. नाउ फ्रॉम 1 and 2, फ्रॉम equation 1 and 2 we will get, I can write this equation as mv square by r is equal to qvb. ठीक है, ऐसा लिख सकते हैं हम इसको, mv square by r is equal to qvb. नाउ यहाँ पे v velocity है, यहाँ पे भी velocity है, so these two get cancelled. What we will get afterwards? mv by r is equal to q into b. Okay, now after getting this equation, here we have to be calculate the radius of a circular path. So that's why I can write this equation as r equal to mv divided by q into b. This completes our expression. So I am going to call this as equation number 3. So this equation number 3 which gives the radius of a circular path charged particle in a magnetic field. Clear? So they will ask you this question for the 3 marks in your examination. So you have to be solve this derivation like this. Clear? I hope you have understand the topic. If you have any doubts, you can send a message in a comment box. Okay, I hope all of you understand the today's topic. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my channel.